Good morning, friends. Today's step up lesson number 8. Lesson 8, 951, 952. Name at the top. In this example today, you're looking at, in the example on page 950, previous page, if you want to look at it, for 237 minus 165, why do you need to regroup 100 into 10 tens? 237 minus 165. Why do you have to regroup one of these hundreds into 10 tens? Here. Why do you have to take one of these hundreds into 10 tens? You explain why. Because you can't take away 3 minus 6. Right? And then down here it says Gary saved $287 doing jobs in his neighborhood. He bought a computer printer for $183. How much money do you have left? I don't need any picture of place value blocks. I just need you to answer the problem here. This one's nice. There's no regrouping. Place value of X, so draw pictures, subtract. Don't need place value of blocks. Don't need pictures. Just subtract it. Regroup it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then again, it's a lot of computation down here. The big key is trying to figure out, do I add or do I regroup? And if I have to regroup, where am I going to exchange? Am I going to exchange it from the tens to ones? Am I going to exchange it from the hundreds to tens? A lot of computation practice here, but it'd be good practice. And then on the back, you just have a lot of problem solving. How many more miles is it from Cleveland to Chicago than Cincinnati to Cleveland? This is interpreting some bar graphs. Mr. Souza is driving from Washington, D.C. to Cleveland, and in Cincinnati he's traveled 182 miles. How many miles are left? So it looks like some addition. D.C. to Cleveland, 372, and then to Cincinnati, 249, and then minus 182. So we'll add, then subtract. Which girl got more votes? How many more votes did that girl get? Claudia and Jasmine. She got votes from both. Adam. Subtract. Kendra got $20 for her birthday. She earned $62 babysitting. Then she earned 148 shoveling snow. How much money does Kendra have now? 20 plus 62 plus 148. Kim needs to find 437 minus 258. She will need to regroup to find the answer. If so, explain how she would need to regroup. So you have to answer it, but you have to explain where she has to regroup and why. It's pretty easy. It is 239 miles from Dallas to Houston and 275 miles from Dallas to San Antonio. How many fewer miles? Fewer. Keyword, subtraction. Just going to subtract 275 minus. Key here is you're going to actually subtract the larger of the two. So the minuend has to be larger. An amusement park ride can hold 120 people. There are already 104 people on the ride. Which equation shows how many more people the ride can hold? One of those equations actually can answer that question. This is just a real thick review of subtraction and regrouping here. Any questions, come see me.